Ana mi to kobo bari opke. Na machiel amita mi luak me lao. Kere luak me Uganda. Nyeni wan rog me lao o jolo Bobi Wine Chagulanyi. Pecheng warrior. O jolo kere tunywa du. Da wano mare. Eno bedo minwa. Eno bedo telawa. Eno bedo tehawa. He's our brother. He's our leader. He's our friend. He's a Ugandan like all of us. So one Jome Lao, we welcome you. We welcome you. We shall work with you. We shall build Uganda together. I want to send a very strong message. Ni Bora, Luoro, Amengata mi dokete kom rog me Lao, kete rog me Uganda, Amago beda Bobi Wine Lao, Amago beda Bobi Wine a presidential candidate. Pay binuti. One Lao binu lueng megeng Bora, Amago dokete kom Bobi Wine Lao. We shall fight as the people of Lao to defend and protect the president of Nup, Robert Chagulanyi. As the people of Lao, we are the seal of the leader of Uganda. We shall seal him, we shall protect him, and we shall guard him. And this message will go across the country, up to Ankole, up to Buganda, that Bobi Wine is a child of Uganda. He's the president of a party registered in Uganda, and he's a leader in Uganda. And we respect him, we shall guard him, we shall protect him, and we shall continue to work with him in solidarity. Finally, Rob Melao, I am very happy. Pijo Melao, Major Bobi Wine, Ilera, Iwela Dung, me when you lokere, Apu will attack, Mede wuna manu, Ijile wuna attack, Medo me your. So I was saying, I thank the people of Lao for welcoming President Bobi Wine in Lango in a mammoth crowd, with all the attempts to block and stop him. I'm grateful to Bobi Wine. I'm grateful to the people of Lao, Lao Maru, Lao Puhu, Lao Puhu. So now, Mede will take to vote President Bobi Wine and all these candidates in Lao. Ana beru candidate chair, me were parliament, we union ana beru UPC, eta ana mala flag bearer, men nu bichawane. Donc pi mana ko yuni, bolu kwi pi nu, bolu kwi pi President Chagulanyi, bolu kwi pi members of parliament, bolu kwi pi isa to, bolu kwi pi jo duja me chiachu. Ite no, man ko ba pirta bolangi, party pe. President said it very well. Thank you, Mr. President. There is no party in Uganda now because we are still fighting to restore multi-party democracy in Uganda. You cannot be operating as a party when you cannot be allowed to move, when you cannot be allowed to talk to people, when you can be fought in your own house, in your own bed. How would the president be attacked in his own bed? This is not a country where we are still having a party. We are still fighting to get party back. We are fighting to liberate our people. Yes. I am telling you, let's join hands together, including everybody in the media. I attack the media for covering Lao and covering the people of Uganda. Thank you very much, everybody. And I say this for God and my country. Thank you.
This has been the pattern of the police used by Museveni. As the campaigns go on, first they let them happen to gain the legitimacy, but as the campaigns go on, they start trying to isolate me, to try to take away my support system. First, they arrested Ed Mutwe, Bobby Young, Achireo, Smarty, Gaddafi. They want to take away all my security team. Now today, they are targeting Tower, and we had been informed even before we left Kampala that Tower was one. Now when Afande Nkole, the head of police in Lango and Teso came and said that there was an allegation that Tower stole their internet jammer and their laptop and their key and their clothes, I knew that something must be there. Regardless we move, we are going to reach every corner of Uganda, whether in a car or in a boat or in border or on foot. We are going to reach every part of Uganda and preach this gospel of unity, of reconciliation, but most importantly of owning our country, of knowing that we are Ugandans. This is our country. This is our country. They are no longer going to use us as tools against each other, because we are the only tool they have. Once they have our brain, they have our bodies. Once they control us, once they don't allow us to trust each other and think together, they will always have our backs bent as they feed on our backs. So yes, as we leave Lango, We want to appreciate the people of Lango, especially the young people of Lango. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for taking this upon yourself. We are living. All we can share is this seed of eye opening. Now you go on opening other eyes. Take this idea and run away with it. Own it. It is yours. It does not belong to anybody from any region. No, this is people power, our power. Take it on. Offer leadership to your friends. Be that young man, that young woman to rise up from Lango again. At least you have evidence that great people have raised from this soil. You have evidence. History shows you that. You are the same gene. Rise up. Because this is a time, there is never going to be a time like this in our lifetimes. If it is to happen again, it will be in the lifetimes of our children, not in our lifetime. We are the youth, well, I'm way past youth, but you are the youth of this generation, and it is the youth that do things. So I take the same message to Karamoja. Please emphasize the same message here in Lango. Let everybody understand. Use
nti video mu eraga nga poliisi eyingira mu hotel era bino kambigate wamu eyingira mu hotel emu abantu babadde basuze nti ng'ekozesa eryanyi okugezaako okukwata abantu abamu ate nti n'ekirala waliwo abuuziza nti ate nga ne ba receptionist aboku counter ate nabo nga babakutte abantu be bakutte mbasomedde amanya abantu be bakutte bajja kubatwala mu kooti bwe banasanga obujulizi nga bumala okubatwala mu kooti wanabaayo oli atayina musango bajja mulekula oba receptionist oba muvuzi wa boda boda obani ne as long as ne bwebanga wa Nup naye nga tayina musango ajja kuteebwa naye abo abayina emisango bo tujja kukola ki tujja kubatwala mu kooti waliwo abuuziza nti
pe binuti wala binu luwen megengo bura no binu ko bobe wine now we shall fight as a people of Lao to defend and protect the president of Nup, Robert Kyagulanyi. As the people of Lao, we are the seal of the leader of Uganda. We shall seal him, we shall protect him, and we shall guard him. And this message will go across the country, up to Ankole, up to Buganda. That Bobi Wine is a child of Uganda. He is the president of a party registered in Uganda, and he's a leader in Uganda. And we respect him, we shall guard him, we shall protect him, and we shall continue to work with him in solidarity. Finally, Rob Melau, I am very happy. Pijo Melau, Major Bobi Wine, Ilera, Iwela Doom, me when you look here, Apu will attack, Mede una manu, Ijile una attack, Medo me you queer. So I was saying, I thank the people of Lao for welcoming President Bobi Wine in Lango in a mammoth crowd, mammoth, with all the attempts to block and stop him. I'm grateful to Bobi Wine, I'm grateful to the people of Lao, Lao Maru, Lao Puhu, Lao Puhu. For now, Mede will take to vote President Bobi Wine and all these candidates in Lao. Ana biru candidate chair, me wori parliament, uri nyoni ana biru UPC, eta ana mala flag bearer, men nu bichawani. Donc pi mana ko yuni, bolu queer pi nu, bolu queer pi President Kyagulanyi, bolu queer pi members of parliament, bolu queer pi isa to, bolu queer pi jo dujo me chum. No, man ko ba pirta bolu langi, but the President said it very well. Thank you, Mr. President.